So I wanted to show you something because, you know, I'm running an experiment on the bunny berry liquid fertilizer. So, and I didn't really remember the ratio, so forgive me on this. So basically I had like well, what it looks like is berries, okay? And then I put about 3/4 of the way up, which is probably too much, okay? Just saying. And then the rest of it water. And it was like a lot of water in there. And it was kind of like liquefying it down. So I came today because I was gonna fertilize the indoor plants. So I was gonna get this guy and just take it and put it in another container, just the liquid part. Look what I found. It's just, so this is like the concentrate, okay? This is what we're gonna call it. So I put it in like a portion of that, and then I put it in a 1/2 gallon, and then I dilute it down. That's what I did. And I got two plants done inside so far. But I wanted to show you what it looked like. It was pretty gross. I mean, it's great, not gross. Ha! Just saying. Anyway, hope you guys are having a great day.